What? The rooftop tent and tailgate kitchen on this car are actually factory installed. Is anyone else like me? Feeling an itch inside after grinding at work for too long and wanting to go cross-country on weekends? But actually, 90% of the time is spent on daily commuting. True. I could buy a luxury urban SUV with all the smart features and plush interior maxed out. But the passability seems a bit lacking. If I want to go camping, I'd have to retrofit a rooftop tent and tailgate kitchen dealing with leaks, loud wind noise, underground garage height limits, and a whole heap of hassles. There are so many boxy SUVs on the market, yet not a single one can combine urban luxury commuting with a full set of factory-installed wild luxury camping gear in one vehicle. But the new Huawei-BAIC Stelato G9 we're looking at today solves all the pain points of rugged SUVs at once. Today, we won't talk about specs, we'll only talk about the highlights that redefine the car life experience. The first industry-disrupting highlight, a fully factory-integrated camping ecosystem. Without spending a single penny on aftermarket modifications, it instantly transforms into this loft-style outdoor villa behind me. This is an integrated solution that no other rugged camping vehicle can offer. First, let me share the pitfalls of DIY aftermarket rooftop tents. Retrofitted tents are easily over 30 centimeters thick, getting immediately stuck at underground parking height limiters. Manual, folding, and deployment are exhausting. Imagine trying to pack up a tent in the middle of wind and rain. It takes all your energy. The wiring is messy, and without factory integration, there's a risk of water leaks. Another issue, poor thermal and sound insulation. On windy nights, it rattles with strange noises all night long. Does that strike a chord with you? The C-shaped yacht flybridge-style electric rooftop tent on this BAIC Stelato G9 has its roof structure reserved directly at the factory. In its closed state, its thickness does not exceed 150 millimeters, easily clearing to 0.2-meter underground parking garages without affecting daily commuting at all. It features one-touch dual control via physical buttons on the vehicle's roof console for automatic opening and closing. You might worry when climbing up through the sunroof. What if a child accidentally presses a button and gets pinched? It comes with a validated automatic anti-pinch function and dual safety certifications, making our travel mode much safer. Opening it up instantly creates a 2-story split-level space. Imagine using the cabin interior as a living, reception room while the rooftop becomes your exclusive private mini bedroom. Look at the on-site demonstration. It's also equipped with an electric side awning made of self-adaptive tensioning fabric that can hover continuously at any angle. Moving to the rear, it lives up to a Hongmeng Jixing design. First, it features a side-opening tailgate. Once opened, we can see the internal storage space is huge. Plus, something to look forward to. When it officially hits the market, you can option a factory tailgate kitchen. This is genuine factory equipment that aftermarket options simply cannot match. With a 5-setting temperature-controlled water outlet and a 2-mode shower faucet, it easily turns our outdoor space into an instant dining station. Although our on-site display vehicle doesn't have the kitchen module installed, we can see air suspension height adjustment buttons on the door pillar, conveniently placed on the side for easy cargo loading. In the back row, there are currently electric seat folding buttons and a 220 volts power outlet. Even without extra options, its rear camping capabilities are fully adequate. Though I eagerly look forward to seeing the factory tailgate kitchen. For any rugged SUV on the market to achieve what I just described, factory rooftop tent, factory electric side awning, and factory tailgate kitchen, aftermarket parts and wiring would cost tens of thousands at least, while voiding the whole vehicle factory warranty. But BAIC Stelato G9 provides it all directly from the factory. I believe this is its most core competitive advantage over peers in the same class. I believe what many people fear most when buying a rugged off-roader is the seats. Why? Stiff seats lead to backaches during long cross-country journeys. But BAIC Stelato G9 is different. It directly brings MPV-grade first-class zero-gravity seats into the cabin. This is its second major highlight that outclasses its rivals. Today, we are filming the 5-seater version, where both the driver and front passenger get zero-gravity seats. If you choose the 6-seater version, there are 2 zero-gravity seats in the front and 2 in the rear, a total of 4. Anyone who sees this has to admit it's genuinely impressive. The front zero-gravity seats offer a maximum hip angle of 120, a knee angle of 118, and support 12 of hovering adjustment. The rear zero-gravity seats are even more comfortable, with a maximum hip angle of 132, a knee angle of 120, and 15 of hovering adjustment. Just imagine, whether you are driving or sitting in the front or rear, it evenly disperses whole body pressure, making your journey no longer a chore. The rear cabin of BAIC Stelato G9 also truly embodies tech luxury texture. What does it have? First is a 17-inch ceiling-mounted entertainment screen. My favorite feature in the rear is the light curtain privacy glass with one-touch tint adjustment. Importantly, it adjusts automatically when someone approaches the vehicle. The glass darkens as they get closer, keeping your interior privacy fully protected. The rear has a magnetic dock where you can attach a smartphone to serve as a rear central control screen, a very clever touch. Tap to detach it, and it functions as a regular phone. When retrieving items, it features smart illumination and intelligent light tracking systems. The sense of intelligent detail in the rear is exceptionally prominent. Now back in our 5-seater cabin, let's focus on the front row massage functions. It features an industry-first Fascia-Gun style dual-dimensional massage. As you know, standard massage seats on the market only offer basic pneumatic air bladders, whereas this vehicle uses a centralized air supply solution. Its massage force is 3 times that of ordinary seat massages. Where the comfort really shines is in its 20 massage points when you sit in it. The pneumatic system and high-frequency vibrators work in sync, penetrating directly into your fascia. Sitting in the car with massage turned on feels just like having a dedicated fascia massage gun with you. The interior materials definitely live up to the word luxury. First is the 3.8 to 4.0 millimeters. Full-grain genuine leather paired with real wood trim panels, offering 4 interior color options. The interior texture feels remarkably delicate and soft to the touch. The cabin also features aviation-grade physical switches. Overhead, roof-integrated switches control the opening and closing functions of the rooftop tent, as well as main power toggles. But what I like most are the physical mechanical switches on the center console, which have a very satisfying tactile feel. First of all, the rotary knob is no ordinary knob, it's an industry-first style. What makes it special? In long press mode, you can switch between terrain adjustment, climate control, or volume. When adjusting terrain modes, it provides strong damping feedback, mimicking the deliberate resistance of driving on muddy roads. But when adjusting volume, it turns with silky smooth ease. I've never seen a multi-mode switchable rotary dial like this in other vehicles. We must also mention that the vehicle's screen layout carries a distinct Huawei aesthetic, bringing the trifold phone concept into the cabin. It starts with a 12.3-inch instrument cluster, flanked by dual 17.2-inch center and passenger screens. For safety during long cross-country drives, the screens are recessed into the dashboard, so if items bounce around or you make sudden movements, you won't bump into screen edges, which are cushioned by soft materials, a thoughtful design. Everyone knows the HarmonyOS cockpit is genuinely outstanding. It incorporates a spherical celestial universe structure UI, seamless phone car interconnectivity, and crisp display clarity. Crucially, the screens are massive and paired with the rear 17-inch ceiling screen. It truly brings Huawei's entire smart ecosystem into the vehicle. The audio system is equally top-tier, equipped with a Huawei Sound 25 speaker system featuring a 2080W amplifier, delivering exceptional surround sound. Listening to music feels just like sitting in a mobile concert hall. For powertrain, The entire lineup is built on the Huawei 800 volts giant whale platform, offering both pure electric BEV and range-extended EREV options. I personally recommend the range-extended version because for long-distance cross-country travel, you won't need to constantly hunt for charging stations. It offers both large and small battery pack designs. The large battery pack is highly recommended under CLTC conditions. Pure electric range exceeds 400 kilometers, while the combined range surpasses 1,300 kilometers. If you choose the pure electric version, its range exceeds 700 kilometers, which is more than enough. Meanwhile, both EREV and BEV models support 15-minute high-voltage fast replenishment, drastically improving charging efficiency and making long-distance journeys much more relaxing. To summarize the 3 industry-disrupting highlights of this BAIC Stelato G9. First, a complete factory-installed wild luxury camping kit, saying goodbye to all the headaches and flaws of aftermarket modifications. Second, the cabin provides Fascia-Gun grade zero-gravity seating, seamlessly bringing unparalleled comfort into a rugged off-roader. Third, its dual powertrain capability available in both range-extended and pure electric options perfectly integrates luxury texture with off-road prowess. As a user who commutes daily but heads out into the wilderness whenever a holiday arrives, I deeply resonate with the positioning of the BAIC Stelato G9. It isn't just a rugged SUV with an intimidating exterior, nor is it merely an urban luxury SUV meant only for daily commutes. It is precisely targeted at users who love life and pursue refined experiences. We don't want to sacrifice everyday comfort for off-roading, nor do we want to give up the freedom of the wilderness for urban commuting.